Hey everyone, today I'm going to be trying out the internet's most popular 2-ingredient Play-Doh recipes. Stay tuned to see which ones worked and which ones didn't. The first recipe I found consisted of shaving cream and cornstarch. Now in her tutorial she does say that any kind of shaving cream would work. In hers she used like a female kind of shaving gel. I think it was like the Skintimate brand. Hers seemed to turn out. Mine, however, did not. So I kind of think maybe the shaving foam is not going to work for this. As you can see, the recipe is really dry. It did not pull together whatsoever. I kept adding more and more shaving foam, hoping that it would help things. I even tried some water. It totally did not work. This one was a big fail. The next recipe I found consisted of icing and icing sugar. This one was pretty exciting to me because I like the fact that it was edible. So good if you have little kids who want to play with Play-Doh and, they're putting stuff in their mouth. Overall, I was just really impressed with this recipe. It came together really nicely. It was just the slightest bit sticky at the end, so I just added a little bit of icing sugar to it to make it that perfect consistency. But overall, it was moldable. It was very Play-Doh-like. Huge thumbs up. This next recipe intrigued me because it's mixing paint with cornstarch. I've seen so many other recipes that mix something with cornstarch to make Play-Doh, but I have never seen paint mixed with it before. It was really dry and wasn't pulling together, so I went ahead and added some water to try and help it along. In this recipe, the author calls it moldable clay, so I'm not really sure that they intended for this to be used as Play-Doh. It definitely wouldn't work as such. The end result is very dense. Next up is a combination that I have tried before in the past. It is conditioner and cornstarch. Again, I think kind of the brand or the type of conditioner you use will affect this because the recipe wasn't as nice as I remember it being. It was still moldable and okay, but not great. This next recipe excited me because it is another edible one. It called for yogurt and cornstarch. Now, with her recipe, she used regular yogurt and I used Greek yogurt because that's what I had on hand. I would not recommend the Greek yogurt. I tried adding water just to compensate and try to help it along. It didn't work out as well. I think I would like to try this recipe again, but using regular yogurt instead. The end result of this was pretty hard to mold. It was kind of dense and it didn't turn out great. The last and final recipe that I tried was lotion and cornstarch. Now this one smelled really good and it honestly started out pretty good too, but I found that as we left it out a little bit more, it became more dry and less moldable. The clear winner from all these tests is definitely the icing sugar mixed with icing. This recipe is awesome, you guys. I'm definitely going to remake it again and it's edible, so huge bonus there. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you want me to try next. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!